Top 6 Best Turntables 2023 Record Players. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we'll discuss the top 6 best turntables in 2023 record players, according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Audio-Technica AT-LPW40WN. Audio-Technica comes with a carbon fiber tonearm and natural wood veneer plinth. The Audio-Technica features excellent design, but it's a mixed bag in terms of sound quality. The table sounded boomy when plugged into a phono preamplifier. When it was more neutral with the onboard preamp, it was still a little ho-hum. Audio-Technica AT-LPW40WN looks rather lovely, with a wood-style bass and effortless speed control. But compared with the other turntables, it has a lean sound without much bass. It also picked up a lot of surface noise from our records. Setup provides simple enough once we detach the various bits from the multi-layered packaging. We suspect that Audio-Technica must have a special relationship with some manufacturer of sticky tape. So much of the stuff is used to pack the mat and the platter. The head shell and the counterweight, the 2 lid hinges, and the other pieces that require assembly to complete the deck. By minimizing the modernist additions on other decks in its range, but still including that functional built-in phono stage, Audio-Technica has delivered a manual belt drive turntable that is musical beyond its price bracket, a classic beauty as well, and with an easily replaceable, even upgradable stylus. Top marks for the money. Sony PS-LX310BT. The only PS-LX310BT as a belt drive turntable player with full automation has an built-in phono stage with 3 gain settings. It's all made of plastic material except for the tonearm and the platter. Both are of metal. Even though it's plastic, it produces good quality and doesn't feel as fragile as it seems. The setup is relatively straightforward, although you must put the 296mm aluminum die-cast platter on yourself and hook up the flat section drive belt to the motor spindle. The fact that Sony has packaged it like this suggests it doesn't want to wreck the main bearing, which indicates it has fitted a quality one that's worth taking care of. The aluminum tonearm is pre-aligned and pre-fitted with an introductory Sony moving magnet cartridge. Of course, there is some slight bearing play, but it's better than I would expect. It has auto start and stops, or you can cue manually. Via Bluetooth, the sound is surprisingly good, given that it's limited to the data rate that this wireless protocol can deliver. Yet still, with a good Bluetooth speaker system, I use my trusty JBL Flip 4. It is better than you might think. It's fine for general background music, parties, and so on. And it's so liberating to be able to listen to vinyl in places you otherwise wouldn't. REGA Planar 1. The Planar 1 Plus has the sleek, minimal design of the Planar 1 in white or gloss black color. You won't be disappointed with the Plus new product. And sure enough, the gamble pays off. The overall sound is similar to the Planar 1, adjusted to an external phono MIDI A2D. While that's what we expected, it's not the whole story here. The Plus, however, has cleaner, leaner, and also times a little better overall. It's not that muscle-bound, but it sounds solid and punchy, and that extra level of sound clarity and detail shines through. The connecting wires are soldered directly onto the phono board in the Plus, meaning there is a shorter signal path and fewer opportunities to pick up interference. The company may be disappointed in itself for not committing to this venture earlier. However, with the vinyl revival still in fashion and sales continuing to rise, we can see the versatile and excellent sounding Planar 1 Plus being hugely popular, and rightfully so. Denon DP-400. You might be starting out with vinyl or never leaving your record player in the dust. It does not matter, as we all want to experience all records in the best way possible and hear every tiny detail of a specific song. Now to do this, you require an excellent record player. As such, the Denon DP-400 is wont to be needed. This turntable includes multiple modern features, fantastic sound quality, and ease of use. High-quality material leverage this turntable to a height that can compete with any high-end record players out there. The durable aluminum materials used have a modern aesthetic and give the strength and density needed to reproduce resonant-free music with no issue. Its thick cabinet walls and the weighted platter bring forth the best isolation from the external vibration of the sound. The Denon DP-400 provides the top quality sound of music. You can clearly hear the details as well as the nuances of your analog records with ease. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. The Pro-Ject has worked hard at making the debut Carbon Evo which is a current class leader model, but also one with great potential to morph into a suitable mid-range competitor by offering a series of reasonably priced add-ons. The most welcome of the product is the addition of a rocker switch at the bottom of its deck that allows you to adjust the rotation speed of the recorder. With this, there is no need to remove the platter and manually readjust the belt if you want to go from 33.33 PM to 45. It's also partnered with a great deal of detail and texture design. Where specific competitors might rack up the sound of the recorder in an attempt to camouflage a lack of real insight it requires, Pro-Ject welcomes everyone to explore its vast sonic range and proving its aptitude for making a deck that is very easy to listen to and prepared for more profound, more analytical sessions. TechPlay Ghost. Ghost by TechPlay is a unique turntable with a distinctive look, with a half-inch thick full acrylic body, professional cut with smooth rounded edges, available in 3 colors, clear, black, and white. Indeed, they are retro and contemporary. Color matching, counterweight for precision needle weight, pitch control for rotation speed adjustments. Built-in preamp with on-off switches to connect to your home Bluetooth connection amplifier to wirelessly connect to your favorite Bluetooth speakers. This beautiful belt-driven turntable offers 2 speeds, a transparent acrylic body with champagne gold accents, and a DJ-grade magnetic cartridge for excellent sound quality. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.